Previous video we learned how to use without the ruler. Still you design it proportionally and correctly, designing the letters through the basic terminology. Through this practice, I hope you master the technique, and so we can continue doing the design correctly. So challenge yourself. So I'm gonna do all four angles, right? If you look at it carefully, there's a letter S, right? So first thing you want to do is, I already measure it. You connect the corner to corner, and then 3 inches apart, right? And then I will create a box. So this box will be same as that. I just put it vertically to fit to this video. So if I want to do, I'll just measure 1 inch. Same thing. If you don't have a ruler, it's okay. Just mark the distance and go around and do the same. So it will make no difference. After that, we're going to be using the same routine that we did before. So here's the lines that goes around, right? The first column, right? This is this one, right? So slightly, if I miss the corners, then it's not completely accurate, so forgive me. So first thing you want to do is establish the corner. The center. Sorry, I keep saying corner. So there's the center. I hope I can get you correctly. So connect this corner to corner, right? And then it should go all the way to here, right? And from there, now we can reduce proportionally. So connect that corner to here, and then that will be next column, right? Good. So if you want to make sure that it is correct or not, then all going around should be same, right? See the center here going across. If I connect this one to there, then it should meet over there, right? Good. And then same thing, it goes around the same way. So I don't have to use the corner. So if I connect this one to here, then where do I meet? Here. Good. Same thing. If I connect this one to, okay, wait a second, here, right? So we are just applying the exact same rule. Then this one and this one meets, right? So once you create one side, rest falls pretty easy, right? First column, second column already established, so connect that, and that's going to be the third, right? And connect this, oh, sorry, from here to here, that corner to there, right? So that's the next point, and from that to there, and that's going to be the third column for that section. And if I connect it to here, then that's going to be the third column for that area. So you connect, and then connect this part, and connect that part, and connect that part. Okay, so how many we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far we have 1, 2, 3. So you keep going until, so now we are doing the fourth part. So connect that to there, right? And that's a fourth part, right? Connect that from here to there. Okay, so that's the point. And connect that one to there. That's the point. So you connect this one to there, right? Connect that to there, So my eyesight is getting worse. So if I miss any detail, please forgive me. Okay, right, from there to there, connect, right, from here to here, connect, from here to there. So once you practice this routine things multiple times, you are mastering this, and then things get easier and easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are ready to do the letter S. But the thing is, remember how we separate things into 1, 2, 3 columns, right? So that's another challenge. We have 2 parts. How are you going to separate this into 3 parts? So in previous video, so this is the box, right? What you want to do is from one box corner to the other, connect, right? And then from center, right? So middle parts from the out column to this corner, if you connect, then where it meets, that's the parts that will divide the whole section into 3. Okay? So do the same. So you connect the corner to corner, right? And then from there to here, and that will be the parts that you connect. Okay, there's a star. So and that's the first column. Second. That's the third. Okay. And then last part. There we go. Okay. And then you go around doing it. So I wanted to open here, right? And you just keep going with the letter S. Okay? All right, so practice this, how to separate into proportionally, how to separate into 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. You apply this rule and you can create any design you want.